Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Engine Blueprints video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorials, we understood what is blueprint in Unreal Engine. We understood types of blueprints available in Unreal Engine. In this video, I would like to discuss level blueprint. Level blueprint is a blueprint associated with each level. In the previous video, I told you that each level in Unreal Engine comes with its own blueprint, which is called level blueprint. Level blueprint is used to add level specific functionality, right? Level blueprint is used to add level specific functionality. That means if you want to add a functionality in level 1, you add it inside level 1's level blueprint, guys. If you want to add functionality to level 2, then you add functionality in level 2's level blueprint. Any functionality that you add in level 1, you cannot reuse it as it is in the level 2. Level blueprint is used to add level specific functionality, guys. In the level blueprint, you can access actors in the level and add functionalities to them. You can see here I have level 1. Okay, I have a level 1. Here we have blueprints drop down. There is a command called open level blueprint. If I click on this, we can open the level blueprint of level 1. So how do we open the level blueprint? Click on the blueprints drop down in the level editor toolbar. Click on open level blueprint. So if I go here, say open level blueprint, you can see that level blueprint is open, guys, and it is going to have the same name as the level, guys. So this is level 1's level blueprint is open. So let's discuss about the interface. Okay, let's talk about level blueprint user interface. You can see at the top we have menu bar. In the menu bar we have list of menus with set of commands. You can see we have edit menu, view menu, debug menu and all. Below that we have tab bar, and then we have toolbar. In the toolbar you find tools for most commonly performed tasks like compiling the blueprint, saving the blueprint, right? And on the left hand side we have my blueprint window. In that you can find the variables, functions, macros, event dispatchers, events which are part of the level blueprint. At present we don't have any variables, functions, but we have two events. One is begin play, another one is tick. Here we have two events, guys. You can see we have begin play and tick. Okay, on the right hand side we have details window. You can inspect the selected node properties, and in the event graph you access the actors from the level and add functionalities to them. And at the bottom we have compiler results, the place where you see whether the blueprint is successfully compiled or any errors are there. So you see them in the compiler results window, guys. So that's a brief idea about the user interface, guys. Okay, user interface, that is level blueprint user interface. Now I'm going to dock it beside here, and then to this level I'm going to add some cubes. I add a cube, so you see that cube is created. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. I create one more cube. Ctrl D to duplicate. I created one more cube. Cube, cube 2, cube 3. I select all the cubes here and change the mobility settings to movable. Okay, mobility settings to movable. Now I want to rotate these cubes around Z axis 5 degrees per frame. So what I have to do is I have to access these cubes inside the level blueprint. So how do we access? I told you already in the previous video. First we select the actor, go to level blueprint, right click and say create a reference to cube. You can see that I got the reference to cube. Okay, then I drag a wire from the cube node here. I say add actor local rotation. Add actor local rotation. I connect the execution pins of event tick and add actor local rotation node. Anything is connected to event tick node is executed per frame continuously, guys. Okay, if I say here Z value 5, what happens is cube is rotated around Z axis 5 degrees per frame in its local space. Okay, cube is rotated around Z axis 5 degrees per frame. If I say compile and save, go to level 1 and play, you see this cube is rotating around Z axis 5 degrees per frame. I stop it. I want to rotate cube 2 as well as cube 3. So what I do, I select the cube 2, go here, right click and say create reference to cube 2 and set it as a target. Okay. Now I say compile, save, go to level 1 and play. See, both are rotating. Stop. Select the cube 3, go here, right click, create reference to cube 3 and then I give it as a target to add actor local rotation. Compile, save, go to level 1 and play. You see all the cubes are rotating. Fine. Now we understood how do we access the actors in the level blueprint and add functionality. And this functionality only works in the level 1, guys. You cannot reuse this functionality as it is in level 2 or level 3 or any other level, guys. Okay, let me explain it more clearly. I go here, I select this cube, I select this cube, I select this cube. I selected 3 cubes, Control C to copy. I go to file, say new level, basic, create. I'm going to save this level, file, save current level as. I'm going to name it level 2 and save. And here I press Ctrl V to paste the cubes. So we have cube, cube 2, cube 3. I go back to level 1. I open the level 1, save this. I open the level blueprint of level 1. I copy this entire network, Ctrl C to copy. I go back and open the level 2 and I open the level blueprint of level 2. Okay, you can see it is empty. We just have event tick node and event begin play. I delete the event tick node and press Ctrl V to paste. You can see that I just copy pasted the actors from level 1 to level 2 and I copy pasted the functionality. This functionality will not work, guys. You cannot reuse the functionality as it is. If I say compile and save, it tells that the asset level 2 failed to save. It is telling. Why it is telling failed to save? Because it is telling that the cube 2, cube 3, cube 2, cube 3 are reference to cube 2, cube 3 from the level 1, not from the level 2. Right? These are references to cube 2, cube 3 present in level 1, not in level 2, guys. So if this code has to work, we have to re-implement the functionality. That means we have to delete these things and get the reference to these cubes. I select the cube, go here, right click and say create reference to cube. I go here, select the cube 2 and cube 3. I right click here and say create reference to two selected actors. So cube 2 and cube 3 reference also we got from level 2. I give them as target here. I give them as target, you see that. Now if I say compile and save, our level 2 is going to save. I go to level 2 and say play. You see cube 1, cube 2, cube 3 are rotating. So that is about level blueprint, guys. What I am telling here, try to understand. Okay. Each level comes with its own level blueprint, right? For level 1, we have a separate level blueprint. For level 2, we have a separate level blueprint. There is only one level blueprint for each level. That means you cannot create new level blueprints, guys. There will be only one level blueprint for each level. And level blueprint is used to add level specific functionality. That means any functionality that you add in level 1, you cannot reuse as it is in another level. You have to re-implement the functionality, guys. Like if I go to file, say let's close this one. Okay, I say file, say new level, basic and create. And here I put cube, Control D to duplicate and drag. So we have cube 2, cube 3. And I select cube 2 and cube 3, sets the mobility to movable. And then I want to add functionality. I'm going to save this level, save current level as, I say here level 3 and save. I want to rotate these cubes around Z axis 5 degrees per frame. So what I have to do, guys? I have to go here, open the level blueprint and I dock it beside here. So this is level 3 level blueprint, guys. Then I select these 3 cubes. I go to level blueprint. I right click here and say create reference to 3 selected actors. See, we got the reference to cube 2 and cube 3. I drag a wire from here and say add actor local rotation, and then I connect the execution pins so that this connection executed per frame. So here I say 5 degrees per frame, cube 2 and cube 3 should be rotated. Compile, save, go to level 3 and play. You see all the cubes are rotating, guys. So that is how you will be using the level blueprint, and that's about the level blueprint. Remember these points, guys. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. Try whatever I explained in this video by yourself. You can try anything else, like you can put a point light and make it visible or invisible in the level blueprint. Try experimenting, you get more idea, guys. For this video tutorial, this much is enough. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about blueprints. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.